This is Open Enduro round 2 here in Bermosa, Imos, Cavite. So nandyan si Ron Mangosong, coach niya si Bornok Mangosong, ang kanyang kuya. And then Jandre Arevalo, McLaren. Sino tong isa? Hindi ko alam. Open Enduro round 2. Green flag is up. Bawal. So it's McLaren. Hindi naka-start si Ron Mangosong. Wow. McLaren nakauna. Jandre Arevalo on second. Hoy! Almost. So this is Open Enduro. Jandre Arevalo on second. Sino tong third? Sino ba to? Si Lyric ba yun? It's McLaren on the lead. Jandre Arevalo on second. Last two laps. Wow. So it's Ron Mangosong. Hoy. Lingo. Last two laps for Ron Mangosong. Last two laps. From Team Honda. McLaren. Number 5, McLaren Bellacorta. Last lap. Jandre Arevalo on second. Ayun. Wow. It's Ron Mangosong. So third, it's Ron Mangosong. Waiting for checkered flag. McLaren Bellacorta. Ayun o. Wow. Checkered flag for McLaren, champion. McLaren Bellacorta, champion for round 2. Open Enduro. Second, it's checkered. Ron Mangosong on third and Satong fourth. Third. Ron Mangosong.